Welcome to World Coins Explorer, the channel where we explore the hidden stories, values, and mysteries of coins from around the world. Today's video is about one of the most iconic coins in Canadian history, the 1967 Canadian 20-cent coin, often referred to as the 25-cent commemorative coin. This coin holds a very special place in Canada's numismatic legacy, as it was issued to celebrate the 100th anniversary of the Canadian Confederation. Designed with a majestic bobcat, it captures the spirit of Canada's wildlife and freedom. In this video, we'll uncover every detail about its design, metal composition, minting history, hidden varieties, and current collector value. So sit back and enjoy, because this story will take you back to one of the most remarkable years in Canada's history, 1967. The year 1967 was a defining moment for Canada. It marked the Centennial celebration of the nation's founding, a time when Canadians were filled with pride and optimism about their growing identity. To celebrate this milestone, the Royal Canadian Mint decided to release a set of special commemorative coins, each featuring a different animal to represent the beauty and strength of Canadian nature. The 1 cent had a dove, the 5 cent a rabbit, the 10 cent a mackerel, the 25 cent a bobcat, the 50 cent a howling wolf, and the $1 a Canada goose. Among all these, the 25-cent bobcat coin quickly became one of the most loved and recognized coins in the entire series. This coin was designed by the famous Canadian artist Alex Colville, a painter well known for his realistic style and symbolic work. The Royal Canadian Mint chose Colville to design all 6 Centennial coins because of his ability to blend natural beauty with artistic expression. The bobcat design on the 1967 quarter is simple yet powerful. It captures the wild and free essence of Canada. The bobcat's movement symbolizes independence and alertness, reflecting the country's spirit at its centennial. This artistic touch made the coin not only a circulating piece of money but also a miniature piece of art admired by millions. When it comes to composition, the 1967 25-cent coin went through an interesting transition. Early in the year, the coins were minted using 80% silver and 20% copper, maintaining the traditional silver standard used in Canadian coinage for decades. However, due to rising silver prices and economic adjustments, the mint switched later in the year to a 50% silver and 50% copper alloy. This makes the 1967 quarter one of the last Canadian coins to contain real silver, which is a big reason collectors value it so much today. The weight of the coin is 5.83 grams, and it has a diameter of 23.88 millimeters. The obverse of the coin features the young portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Arnold Machin. This portrait was first introduced in 1965 and became iconic on all Canadian coins for years. Around the Queen's portrait is the Latin inscription Elizabeth II DG Regina, which means Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, Queen. This combination of Colville's wildlife artistry on the reverse and Machin's royal elegance on the obverse gave the 1967 coin a unique balance of tradition and modernity. It's a perfect reflection of Canada's journey as both a young nation and a proud member of the Commonwealth. The 1967 25-cent coin was produced at the Royal Canadian Mint in Ottawa. Over 49 million pieces were struck, making it a common coin at the time of issue. However, because many of these were melted down for their silver content during the 1970s silver boom, finding high-quality examples today is not as easy as it once was. The coins that remain in excellent uncirculated or proof-like condition are now considered valuable collector items. Many people who lived during that time saved these coins as souvenirs of the Centennial celebrations. Collectors today often look for differences between the 80% silver version and the 50% silver version. Although both look very similar, they can be identified by specific sound and weight tests. The 80% silver coins produce a clearer, higher-pitched ring when dropped gently on a hard surface, while the 50% silver coins sound duller due to higher copper content. Professional graders and dealers also check the color and luster of the metal. For serious collectors, having both versions in a collection adds historical completeness and higher value, in terms of value. The 1967 Bobcat quarter's worth depends greatly on its condition and silver content. Circulated examples of the 50% silver version usually sell for around $3 to $5. while uncirculated or mint-state examples can range from $15 to $50. The 80% silver version in high-grade or proof-like condition can even reach values between $60 and $100 or more. Proof-like sets issued by the Royal Canadian Mint in 1967 are also highly sought after, as they contain coins with mirror-like finishes that showcase Colville's design in stunning detail. Another interesting fact is that the 1967 quarter has inspired generations of coin designers and collectors. Many people still remember receiving these coins in their change during Canada's Centennial celebrations. Some Canadians even kept them as lucky charms or small tokens of patriotism. Over the decades, the 1967 series has become a symbol of Canadian pride, artistry, and cultural heritage. The Bobcat design remains one of the most recognizable images in Canadian numismatics, and even today, the coin continues to spark curiosity among new collectors. The 1967 coins were part of a larger movement by the Royal Canadian Mint to modernize the nation's coinage. This year also marked an important shift toward new production technologies and a new national identity that blended tradition with progress. The Centennial coins were not just money. They were art pieces representing a vision of a united and strong Canada. For the first time, Canada's wildlife was celebrated on everyday currency, bringing national pride to the hands of ordinary citizens in the world of coin collecting. The 1967 Bobcat quarter holds both sentimental and investment value. Many experts consider it one of the most successful commemorative coin issues in Canada's history. Its artistic beauty, historical importance, and silver composition make it a timeless collectible. Even in 2025, almost 60 years later, this coin remains popular in online auctions, coin fairs, and private collections around the world. The global interest in Canadian silver coins has only increased their demand and market value. If you're lucky enough to have one of these 1967 Canadian quarters, take a close look at its condition and details. Check if it's an 80% or 50% silver version, and see whether it has any proof-like qualities. Even a single coin could be worth more than you think. And for collectors, it's more than just money. It's a piece of Canada's living history. So keep it safe because it's not only silver, it's a story of freedom, pride, and artistry captured in metal. And that brings us to the end of our journey into the 1967 Canadian 20-cent, or more correctly, 25-cent, Bobcat coin. This beautiful piece of Canadian heritage continues to shine with history, value, and meaning. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to World Coins Explorer, where we bring you the untold stories of coins from every corner of the world. Each coin has a secret, and we're here to uncover it one coin at a time. The 1967 Canadian 25-cent coin, often called the 20-cent coin by mistake, is one of the most iconic and collectible coins in Canadian history. Issued to celebrate the 100th anniversary of the Canadian Confederation, this coin features a stunning design of a wild bobcat created by the famous artist Alex Colville. The bobcat represents Canada's freedom, strength, and untamed natural beauty, perfectly symbolizing the country's spirit during its centennial year. Minted by the Royal Canadian Mint, this coin was produced in two different silver compositions, 80% silver for the early strikes and 50% silver for the later ones, making it one of the last Canadian coins to contain real silver. On the obverse side, it carries the elegant portrait of Queen Elizabeth II by Arnold Machin with the Latin inscription, Elizabeth II DG Regina. Weighing 5.83 grams and measuring 23.88 millimeters in diameter. This coin holds immense historical and collectible value. Over 49 million were minted, but many were later melted down when silver prices rose, which makes surviving high-grade examples quite valuable today. Depending on condition and silver content, its worth can range from a few dollars to over $100 for pristine or proof-like versions. More than just currency, this coin is a piece of Canada's national pride, artistry, and history, a timeless treasure that continues to fascinate collectors worldwide.